Hi there, my name is Alexander. You're watching my vlog called Power BI Tricks and Stuff. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a custom pie chart where pie slices have different length, if it is allowed to say so, in addition to different sector sizes. Heads up, I'd think twice to apply such a solution to production. It's rather a study. Nevertheless, it may be useful for you since it sheds some light on how things work in Power BI. Ready? Then go, go, go. From my early days of interaction with Power BI, I've learned this thing. If something cannot be done via standard menu and settings, it still can be done if we turn on our creativity. My source of inspiration for this video was this picture. As soon as I stumbled upon it, I challenged myself to find a way to do the same in Power BI using only standard visuals. And here comes a spoiler, I did find it. Here's the final result. As you can see, it reacts pretty well when we change our choices and slicers. When we exclude some countries from the selection, all the slicers adjust properly. If you want to know all the details, just come along with me till the end of this video. We will start off from such a simple pie chart, though this simple has a secret behind. If you think this gradient color theme was carefully handpicked by me in the color selection section of the visual menu, you're wrong. In fact, there is a measure which defines all those colors, this one. But how did I apply it to the pie chart? As you may have noticed, um, there was no such an option in the menu to assign a measure for this purpose. Easy, guys. We can add a bar chart, apply our measure there, like that. And then transform the visual to a pie chart. Color settings will be somehow inherited. Cool, right? With this pie chart, we must do the following. Remove legend and title. Set its background to be 100% transparent and adjust captions, their position, background settings, label contents, and font. Let's remove three bottom visuals acting as placeholders and clone our pie chart as many times as the maximum number of segments there are. In my case, the number is 5. On the way, let's also remove the labels, they will not be needed. For each clone chart, we have to create an additional measure for coloring like this one, which will be pretty much the same as the original one with a small difference. The colors of 1, 2, 3, or 4 last sectors have to be the same as the color of the overall background. You can see it applied to the second pie chart. Okay, the third will be more interesting because if we use the same colors for two adjacent sectors, Power BI will draw a line between them. You can see it in white in my case. To trick the system, we will use different colors, which differ by so little that only well-trained human eye can spot the difference. If you can recognize difference here, I envy your vision. I've skipped the rest of transformations in order not to bother you with this routine stuff. Once you have those 5 properly colored pie charts, you have to adjust their sizes. The fully colored pie chart should be the smallest. The one with the single hidden sector should be a little bit bigger, and so on. Then it would be wise to rename those charts properly, with indexes, for example, and place them in such a way so the smallest one is on top, the bigger one is with the only visible segment is at the bottom. After that, you can use the Format menu in Power BI to center all those 5 pie charts by both axes. Then you group them. You can also place this group on top of another pie chart with a header and a legend and add the letter to the group. That's our destination for today. I'm glad if you were with me from start to finish, and will be super glad if you managed to find some useful information for yourself. Please check the description for a link to download the dashboard from today's video. If the video deserve it, please thumb up it. Also welcome you to subscribe to my channel and share its content with your friends and colleagues. This video is available in Russian. Wait till the end of this video to find a link. That's it for today. Adios amigos. Ciao ciao.